Welcome to Six Sigma Mania. Lean is method that helps shorten too long processes and deliver required services or goods to the customer as fast as possible. Lean helps to simplify complicated processes. It helps to reorganize mess and muddle that are bothering and annoying people in any work environment. Lean is applicable for manufacturing, as well as in the office. Lean was created by scientist Taiichi Ono in 1940s. But it was called Toyota Production System, TPS that time. The term Lean was coined in 1988 by John Kraftsik in his article Triumph of the Lean Production System. In this 12 pages article, Kraftsik explains his research about different plants in different locations around the world. He explains correlations between productivity and quality results, and how to approach it. Check out my video reviewing this mind-changing article. Kraftsik is proving that plants operating with a lean production policy are able to manufacture wide range of models, maintain high level of quality and productivity with higher probability than plants working without lean principles. 5 key principles of lean were identified by James Womack and Daniel Jones in their book, Lean Thinking. Womack and Jones defines lean as doing more by less effort and provide to customers what they really want. These are the principles. Precisely specify value by specific product. Identify the value stream for each product. Make value flow without interruptions. Let customer pull value from the producer. Pursue perfection. Let's review each of them in little more detail. Number 1. Precisely specify value by specific product. Here is where exact requirements are defined by customers. Voice of customer and voice of the business are key methods in understanding it, reacting on it, and implementing it. To eliminate activities customer is not willing to pay, team must understand once customer wants to pay. So, try to be specific as much as you can be in understanding customer. Designing a new process is a great opportunity to develop processes closer as possible to customer needs. It is a little more difficult than existing processes. Continuous improvement method to reach customer needs might be a good choice of reaching that state. But it is long-term approach. Number 2. Identify the value stream for each product. Each product have own stream it is flowing through. Steps necessary for product creation are identified and followed. Value stream map is a great tool for identifying value stream and its processes. There are 2 different models that requires a little different approaches. One is mass production. Second is made-to-order production. It is about how mix of parts or information go through the process. How work cells are organized to create continuous flow. I will focus on these differences in my next videos. So stay tuned. Principle number 3. Make value flow without interruptions. Material and information required to fulfill customer requirements must have not barriers. These barriers are called wastes. It is required only value-added activities to be performed. Non-value added are also wastes that must be identified, eliminated, and under control. There are 8 wastes of lean. Waste walk, also called Gemba walk, are tools to identify wastes. Let customer pull value from the producer is principle number 4. Product or service is done, once consumed, or required by customer. Pull signal for work is the empty spot. Previous process fills in this empty spot. And empty space creates signal for upstream processes. There are 8 questions you can follow for designing ideal value stream. Is process producing on talk time? Will you build to a finished goods supermarket, or directly to shipping? Where can you use continuous flow? Where to use supermarket pull system to control upstream processes? What is the pacemaker, single point to schedule production? How production mix is leveled at pacemaker? What increment of work will be consistently released and take away at pacemaker? What changes must be made to reach ideal, the future state design? These questions were identified by Mike Rother and John Shook in their book, Learning to See. Value stream mapping to create value and eliminate muda. Link to buy this book is under the video. Last, the 5th principle is, pursue perfection. This is more about developing lean culture, spread lean thinking and philosophy. To demand perfection in organization is not one-man effort. It must be whole organization thinking set up. And it is not a simple change. It requires embedment by senior management, spreading through larger leadership and encouraging employees. I will try to explain each lean principle in detail on examples in following videos. Please stay tuned, if you are interested. Take a look under the video, where you find a link to my blog, to download many Six Sigma, Lean and project management templates for free. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. Have a great days.